On his home, he went to the nursery to get some flowers. I'll show you the flowers that he got. We need to replace this dying like flowers here, and then this one too. So he got some. But he is going to the.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. He's going to the to buy lunch. That's why I'm getting the flowers. The flowers are here. Look, very pretty.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, they're very pretty. They're kind of like petunia, but like smaller, right?
Yeah.
And then zinnias. I'm going to plant this tomorrow. Yes. Beautiful. Today is Sunday, and we are going to unbox this. This is a multi-function garden kneeler from Home and Garden Trends. So let's like bring this outside. I have some like flowers here in the front yard that I am going to plant. Like this one, I'm going to replace those boxes. They are dead already, so I'm going to replace with these like flowers. Let's see. There is the box. Let's open this box. It's very lightweight. See, it's kind of super lightweight. There you go. So it comes like this, and it's. I think it's ready. I don't need to put anything together. This is available at Amazon. This is from Home and Garden Trends. Seems like I don't need to put anything together. So just like open it like this. Oh yeah. Perfect. It's assembled already. And I can put all my stuff here. See? There's like a pocket here with a Velcro that we can. Put our tools, gardening tools. So let's put our stuff here, our gardening tools. This and this here, and then this one. There you go. And use this as a kneeler like this while doing like stuff. Or you can like turn it around and use it as a chair when you get tired. And there is this like pocket with like Velcro, and then where you can put your tools, your gardening tools, like that. Here, and then sit here like this. It's very, very lightweight. See, you can lift it with a pinky like that with a tool. It's very lightweight, so you can carry it. Look at the materials it is made of, and this one is very soft, very like soft, and then the frames are very durable. So this is from Home and Garden Trends. They have a storefront at Amazon, and I'm going to put the link down below. Look at this. Let's go to the front yard to plant those flowers. Or like something like this, or you can turn it around and like sit on it like this. So let's fix this one here. Look at these gorgeous flowers that we are going to plant today. This is Caldibrachoa Conga yellow, and then that one is like the same flower, just different color. So we have two of this, and then two of the other ones too. This one. This is, let me check. This is Conga Red. Calibrachoa Conga Red. And then we have like zinnias here. Look at this beautiful zinnias. And then another geranium here. And that is another geranium too. So these are the flowers that we are going to plant today. Beautiful. So this is not really dead. So I'm just going to remove the dead like leaves. I'm going to transplant this in the backyard and then just like replace this with this one. Let's start with this one. The red one is pretty. And then the yellow one here. This like yellow one. Look at this, it's so comfortable. I have a chair instead of like in a difficult position. So this is the yellow. Now I'm going to switch it to this because I am planting on this other side. So I have to kneel. Here I'm going to plant this yellow one. I'm going to add like so. Look at this. Very nice, right? These flowers are beautiful. So I put yellow here and red there, and the same thing on the other side, yellow and red. And this I'm going to the zinnias. Look at this beautiful zinnias. And the different colors. I'm going to plant this in the backyard and sit on it like that. And then it has like this one too. It comes with this like bag with brackets for your gardening tools that you can attach on the side. It has a velcro. Husband is back from the groceries, so I need to wrap this up so I can prepare brunch. But I forgot to mention that this is a great gift for those who love to garden. Look at this. So please check them out, Home and Garden Trends at Amazon. The link is down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.